Alright people, so I'm gonna do this today, okay? I'm finally gonna use a menstrual cup. Okay. Personally, very honestly, I'm a little bit nervous about using it because, you know, when I saw it, I'm like, okay, this is supposed to go inside me. But then girls everywhere are using it and it's supposed to be a really good thing. So why not just use it today and actually share my experience with you all if you've never used it before. This is what a menstrual cup looks like. You're supposed to put this inside yourself during your periods and this will collect all the blood, you take it out, you wash it off and then you use it again. So that's a menstrual cup. And I don't know why I'm so nervous, but guess I think it's a normal thing. Like all girls get nervous before using a menstrual cup. So okay, this is what I know already. Before you put this thing inside, you just fold it, okay? So one of the ways of folding it is like this, okay? And there are lots of ways of folding it. Another one is like this, you just pinch it from the side and then you kind of make it slightly more pointy and easier to put in. And yep, that's it. So guys, as per my knowledge, you're supposed to clean a menstrual cup by putting it in hot boiling water, okay? So this is brand new, but I just thought it's a good idea to clean it up first before using it. And by the way, in case you guys are wondering, the product that I'm using is from Wow. This is the Wow Freedom Menstrual Cup and Wash. I'll put the link down in the description box below where you can get this for yourself. It's available in 2 sizes, medium and large. The one that I'm showing you in this video today is medium because, you know, it's my first time using it and I just thought medium would be better for me. So it comes in a cup, it comes with a cup, this box, and it also contains a wash. Let me show you the wash quickly. So this is the, come on camera, focus. This is the Wow Freedom Cleansing Foaming Intimate Hygiene Wash. So this is something with which you wash your vagina. You can use it before your periods, during your periods. You can use it while you are using your menstrual cup, you know, just before you insert the menstrual cup, just to keep yourself a little bit more clean. It's a good idea to keep yourself clean down there, obviously. And this is a foaming wash, which means that it comes out in a foam, okay? So let me just show this to you. Okay. So as you can see, this comes out in a foam. So that's really nice. It's very, very gentle, very soft. Okay, quick tip guys, a lubricant does not, and I repeat, does not work. It just makes everything really slimy and greasy and slippery, and this thing, it just doesn't go in, okay? So I'm gonna go and wash my hands and try it without the lubricant this time. Hopefully it'll be a lot easier. Alright guys, the menstrual cup is finally in. It took me a couple of minutes to get it in. So this is what happened, okay? At least with me, this is what happened. So when the menstrual cup started going inside, it just did and it just went up. Something like a gas balloon. I don't know if that's the right example, but I hope you understand, okay? It just went up. So I am a little scared. Like, what if it's like lost somewhere? I don't know. I mean, I have been reading articles and I'm aware of the procedure of what to do and how to take it out, but it's a little bit scary. Having said that, the good thing is that right now I'm at home today. So I will keep sharing my experience through the day with you and what I'm going through and things like that. Right now I'm feeling very consciously aware that there is a menstrual cup inside me. Although it's not particularly uncomfortable. You know, it's actually not uncomfortable. It took me a couple of minutes to get it in, but once it went in, I am not feeling uncomfortable except for this thought in my head that there's a menstrual cup. And I'm so jealous of my doggy. Just look at her. So when she has her periods, I need to worry about her periods. When I'm having my periods, I have to worry about my periods. So this is so unfair. Life is so unfair for us humans, right? Also, by the way, just letting you know, guys know, I'm also using a panty liner today because I'm not sure if there will be any leakage or not. I want to be careful. So I'm using a panty liner today. And yeah, let me just trouble him a little bit and get back to you guys. Alright girls, another update. My camera is probably making that sound. I hope you don't mind that. Okay, so it's been about like 3 hours since I put the menstrual cup in. Interestingly, for a while I completely forgot that there was a menstrual cup inside me. For a while I forgot that I'm on my periods. I'm not kidding guys. When I went to the bathroom and I realized that there's a panty liner on and I was like, oh, I'm supposed to give an update. Like seriously, it is that comfortable. There has been no leakage whatsoever, so that is another big plus. Alright, so it's been 2 hours since my last update, still no leakage. This thing is insanely comfortable. I fell off to sleep, I woke up, I've been doing things around the house, there's been no leakage and I don't feel any discomfort. You can practically forget that you're on your periods, you know, once you actually use a menstrual cup, so I think that's really nice. Just one thing I wanted to share with you all. Some of you might be wondering that Prachi, why are you even using a menstrual cup? We have tampons, we have sanitary pads. Use that. Use whatever is comfortable. So, guys, here's the thing. Okay, number one, menstrual cups are extremely cost effective. One menstrual cup, like the one that I just showed you, that one costs rupees 9.99, and you can easily use it for like 10 years. Just imagine. So compare that with the cost of your sanitary napkins or your tampons, and you're saving a lot of money. Number two, menstrual cups are extremely environmental friendly. So I have been feeling very guilty like ever since I heard this. Do you know? Let me tell you also, like in case you guys don't know, any sanitary pad that you have ever used, the sanitary pads that you have used in your life, they all are still there on this planet. They are still there. Just imagine how sick, how disgusting and how wrong that is. These things don't biodegrade very quickly, very easily, and the amount of mess we are causing. So I think it's important to step up and say, okay, we will do what we can to save the environment, and menstrual cup is a very good option. Now, first let me tell you about tampons. We all know about toxic shock syndrome. If you don't remove your tampon every 7 to 8 hours, it can actually cause a toxic shock in your body, which can even lead to death. It has happened, and it's a very well-known problem of tampons. Number two, tampons actually mess up with the pH balance of your vagina, which is not healthy. And as for sanitary pads, they shift around, sometimes they cause leakage and they can be very uncomfortable sometimes, right? Plus you're constantly like asking your best friend to check, yaar, dekh na piche se, like is there any stain? I'm sure all girls do that all the time. Not all the time, but every once in a while, you're worried about the stain and all of that. So with menstrual cup, those problems are solved. Also, it doesn't get all smelly and everything, because when the period blood is exposed to the air, like especially in case of sanitary pads, you can smell it. You can smell it yourself. People around you might be able to smell it, especially if you have a very heavy flow. So menstrual cup is actually a very good option that way. Gynecologists very highly recommend it. They say that you should actually switch to menstrual cups because they are very healthy, very natural for your body, because the period blood stays in the vagina, right? It stays inside your body where it's supposed to be staying, and then you take it out, you clean it up, and then you put it back in. So yeah, that's just a little yarn that I wanted to share about menstrual cups. Having said that, I will keep the menstrual cup in for about 1.5 hours more, and let's see how taking it out is. Is it very difficult? Is it like, I don't know if I'll be able to find it easy or not. But so far, yes, I like it. I actually do. Time for the moment of truth. I'm just gonna go in and try and remove that menstrual cup. I don't know where it is lost, where it is. I can't even feel it anymore. Just wish me luck, guys. I did it, guys. I freaking did it. I took out the menstrual cup, and believe it or not, it was actually very easy. Like I was getting really worried, right? But it was very, very easy. So first of all, logic. Didn't even think it through. So once the blood actually starts accumulating in the menstrual cup, right, because of the weight, it started coming down. It wasn't coming out, obviously it can't come out like that, but it was coming down slowly. So I just had to sit down in a squatting position. It worked really well for me to do that. I just sat down in a squatting position, and I just went up a little bit. I didn't have to go up a lot. And you just like pinch it, and then you just pull it out. That's all. It was very easy. And I'm so happy to see this, guys. I actually like the menstrual cup, and I'm officially somebody now who can say that periods will never be the same again for me. It was so damn comfortable. I think I've never had such a clean, comfortable period ever before. Just remember one thing, that when you look at the menstrual cup, it's a bit scary, like it was for me in the morning. Like you remember, you saw my reaction. But the female body is designed to fit the head of a baby out, right? So when a woman gives birth, a baby comes out of that space. So what's a menstrual cup? It's actually quite tiny. So if you're mentally comfortable with the idea, it's very easy. Just what I wanted to share with you all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have used menstrual cups before, share your comments in the comment section below. If you have not used it, take it from somebody who has just used it for the first time. Take a leap of faith and do it. Trust me, do it. You deserve it. Your body deserves to feel that good during periods. You don't have to feel that messy and that disgusted the whole time. It'll actually make you feel a lot better. Seriously. So yes, that's my great achievement of the day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.